Hello friends, today we are going to see Gongura chicken curry recipe. I have taken 1 kg of country chicken here and adding 1 spoon of turmeric, red chili and salt, 2 to 3 spoons of cooking oil. Mix it well and keep for marinating. You can keep like 30 minutes to 1 hour to marinate. Okay, take 10 to 15 spoons of oil, add green chili as Gongura leaf is sour in taste. We are adding more spices to get better. Adding onions, chopped onions, curry leaves and 1 pinch of turmeric. Let it fry. Now let's prepare ginger garlic paste. Add some spices as shown in this video and grind it. After grinding, add mint and coriander leaves. Make it smooth paste. After frying onions, add this paste. Let it fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you get nice flavor of this paste, now you add marinated chicken pieces here. Let it fry these chicken pieces with this paste for 10 to 15 minutes. Mixing well here to spread all this paste for all chicken pieces. Now here 1 bunch of Gongura I have taken. This Gongura leaves, if you take big size of Gongura leaves, you can cut it. Here I have taken small size of Gongura leaves, so adding directly. Let it fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am adding tomatoes. 2 medium sized tomatoes I have taken here and cutted medium size and adding to chicken. So let it fry tomato as well. Here while frying I am going to prepare gravy paste. I have taken here some cashews and dry coconut and add some salt. I am going to grind once in mixie jar, then shift it to grinding stone to give more taste, adding 1 spoon of chili powder and coriander powder, made it fine paste. This paste will give nice taste to gravy. So add this gravy paste to chicken and mix it well. After mixing, you can add required water. Here I am going to add 500 ml of water. I am preparing like semi gravy, so I am adding little bit less water. If you want more gravy, you can add more water. Mix it well with this water and taste it. If you feel some salt is less, you can add it and let it go for 3 to 5 whistles. Here I have taken country chicken, so gave 5 whistles. If you take normal chicken, maximum 3 whistles would be enough. Gongura chicken is ready. It's tasty. You can also try this recipe and comment on this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.